Hey everyone, today we are going to build a AI-based text classifier in Python. These types of classifiers are really useful in a chat system where you have to differentiate the bad messages contains vulgar or inappropriate words from the good ones. The first thing is we have to install a Python library called scikit-learn to build our AI text classifier model. So to install this library, open your command prompt and inside the prompt type pip space install space scikit-learn and press enter. After the successful installation, you will see this type of message: successfully installed scikit-learn. Next, to write a code, go inside your working directory and open your code editor. Now in my code editor, I am in my working directory called text classifier. Now to create a new Python file, click here, name your Python file test.py. Inside this file, we are going to write the code for text classification. First thing is we have to import the libraries, and the first library we need is from sklearn.featureextraction.text. We have to import efidf vectorizer. We are going to use this library to convert our text into numbers because AI only understand numbers. And the second library we need is from sklearn.knifespice. We have to import the model called multinomial NB. This is very simple and fast machine learning model for text classification. To do the text classification, we have to divide this whole process into different steps. In step 1, we have to prepare our data set for our AI model. In the second step, we have to convert this text data into the numbers format because AI only understand numbers. In the third step, we have to fed this numerical data into our model for training, and after training, in the last step, we have to test our model with the new data to evaluate its performance. So step number 1, let's create our sample data set. In this example, we are going to use the positive and the negative type of messages. So in the end, we will make our AI model to differentiate between the positive and the negative messages. So let's first create an array called text, and we are going to fill this array with all type of positive and the negative messages. First, we are going to fill it with the positive messages, and the first positive message is, for example, I like this. The second one is, this is amazing. The next one is, I really like it. And the last positive sample is, this is great. Let's add some negative examples. So the first one is, I hate this. The next one is, this is awful. The next one is, I really dislike it. And the last negative sample is, this is terrible. So now we have filled our array with the positive and the negative samples. Next, create another array called labels, and we are going to fill this array with the right answers for every message. For example, the first 4 messages in the text array are of positive type and the rest of the 4 messages are of negative type. So the answer for the first message is, it is of positive type, so we should have positive here, and we have to copy this positive 3 more times. And the rest of 4 of the messages are of negative type, so we have to put negative 4 times here again. At this stage, we are done with the creation of our sample data set. Now step number 2 is to convert this text data into the numeric data so AI can understand it. For this, we are going to use the tfidf vectorizer class. So let's create an object from this class. Name the object, for example, vectorizer is equal to, and now call this class and create a set of small brackets. Now we have to use the function from the vectorizer class called fitTransform, and we have to pass this text inside this function. So this function will convert this text into the numeric data, and we have to store the output from this into some variable. We will call it numeric data. Now step number 3 is we have to fed this numeric data into our AI model for training. So let's create an object called model from the class multinomial NB. Now we have to use the fit function to train our data. Inside this function, pass our numeric data, and in the second argument we have to pass the labels which are the right answers for the data. Now at this stage the model will learn which words are usually positive or negative. Now after training, in the last step we have to test the performance of our model. Let's create a function called predict, and inside this function we are going to pass our test text sample. Before feeding this text inside our model, we have to convert it into the numeric format. For this we have to use the object vectorizer from the class dfidf vectorizer. Call the object vectorizer. This time we are going to use the function transform to convert our text data into the numeric data. Let's pass your text here. After converting it into the numeric data, I am going to store it inside a variable called x. Now we will fed this numeric data inside our trained model to get the prediction from the model whether it is a positive or the negative type of message. Now we have to use this object model from the class multinomial nb. To call this object model, and we have to use the function predict, and we have to pass the numeric data here. Now this model will predict the outcome of this text, either it is a positive or the negative type of text. In the end, we have to put the 0 index here to get the actual labels from the result. And now we have to return this result from this function. Now to visualize the performance of our model, we have to use the print function. Now we have to pass our predict function, and inside this predict we have to pass the test text sample. In the first example, we are going to put the positive sample. For example, I love this video. And in the second example, I will put the negative type of message. For example, you are a bad person. And in the last example, I am going to put a mixed type of message. It has both positive and the negative side. So I will write it, I like this product, but it has problems. Now we will see what our model will predict about these type of messages, whether they are positive or negative type of messages. To run this program, open your command prompt. To run this Python file, type here Python and the name of your Python file and press enter. As you can see that our model is predicting that the first message is positive, the second message is negative, and the third message is also as a positive. So this is how you can create the text classifier in Python. In order to make it more good, you have to train the model with more samples. So this is it for today. If you want to learn more about AI, robotics and software development, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.